Well, we're here on the Beehive in Bar Harbor. That's looking down towards Sand Beach there. We just started the trail. It's already getting good and steep. Shoots right up the front there. Let's see what we can get for video here. As you can see, it's a little wider than like a normal walking trail. Drops off good and quick. I love this sort of stuff here in Maine. This precipice is, it's like being a kid again, getting to climb all over things. As you can see, not for the faint of heart or the people that are overly afraid of heights. Beautiful view. Sand Beach. Beautiful. Weather couldn't be better today. It's breezy and about 72 degrees. Could not have asked for a better day for things.